Hi guys, it's Mandy. Welcome to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So today's video is just following on from yesterday's. Yesterday's was how to make $100 from home. If I'm laughing, I'm really sorry. My partner is sitting here and he's not doing anything, but he's putting me off. So to start again, today's video is leading on from yesterday on how to make $100 from home. We went to Vinnie's today and we picked up a game of Monopoly for $4. The tag is just up here. $4. This one has new tokens. So there is, sorry, the light is shining on this. There's a duck, a penguin, a cat, and a dinosaur. Now we got this for $4. We opened it up and it's pretty much brand new. The money doesn't look like it's been touched. It's absolutely fantastic. So we can flip this for around $20. Now if you got 5 different Monopoly games from different op shops through the week, there's an extra $100 for you. Well, if you got 6, you take off the price of what you paid. So there's so many different variants of Monopoly. There's a Pac-Man one out at the moment. There's Star Wars, The Simpsons. There's these kind of variants with different game pieces in it. Lots and lots of different ones. And I know that when I have found Monopoly games from the lockers, I've always sold them between $20 and $25, even if they've not been in the most fantastic condition. If pieces have been missing or the box is torn, I've always sold them between $20 and $25 on eBay. So there's an idea. If you go around and buy these Monopoly, different variants of it, the better condition, the more money you'll get, unless that they are vintage. If they're like the original Monopoly, you'll get more. Another game we picked up today, again for $4, is Trivial Pursuit Genus 4 edition. And again, there's the price just there. There's a few variations of Trivial Pursuit. There's kids ones, there's the original blue one, there's this edition. And to buy these brand new in the store, they can actually be like $50 or more. So there's another idea. Go and buy 5 or 6 of these from different op shops, you know, around the place, and there's your $100. So that's just a quick video today, guys, just to show you that you don't really need to spend much money to make $100 extra a week. And like I said yesterday, that extra money can come in really handy if you've got a family to feed, you know, pay your rent, whatever, bills, whatever you need to do with it. So it's just a thought. But I'll be doing more of these videos throughout the week. Tomorrow we will be setting up for the garage sale. So we'll be filming that as we go. And I might do a how to have a garage sale video. Like I said yesterday, most people know how to do these things, but not everybody does. So we might do that tomorrow. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you have liked it or learnt anything. Please subscribe to my channel, share it around, and please click the notification bell. That will show you when I'm uploading my next one. So that'll do it for tonight, guys. Have a great night. Stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.